Moonwalker5347 here, back for another video. And from now on, I think whenever I do make videos or whatever, I'm just gonna start using this channel because my phone that I mainly use does not have a memory card, so I'm gonna have to get one. So today we are playing, you guys know what, you already see it on the screen. If you guys wanna, you guys wanna add me, follow me at BoyGeniusYBN. It literally says it right there. And yes, I am on Xbox 360. I'm gonna show you guys my OG account, just for the heck of it. This is the account that I used when I had a 360. Oh. Type that in wrong. Let me try it again. Show you my OG account. Okay, here's my OG account. Last thing I did was Call of Duty 4. Show you all my games. Did not have an Xbox One. Call of Duty 4. These are all my games, yada yada yada. So, the ones that were my most favorite was Call of Duty 4, Minecraft, Sonic Transformed, Pure, and Saints Row, Doritos Crash Course, and The Sims. These two I didn't get to keep, so I couldn't really tell you which one was my favorite one out of the Grand Theft Autos that I played. So, and Walking Dead, I did not have that. So that's why you see that there. Alright, now let's get on to the gameplay. So, we're gonna do this and we're gonna play the game without dying or falling. And every time that I do fall, I have to restart over. I do gotta restart all over. Well, hey, the time that I got matched my best time that I got the first time I played this level. Nice. Oh, I almost fell. Oh, I'm an OG at this. Yeah. Again, I'm 1 second off from the time that I placed before. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Gotta get ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh, there we go. Now I got the second level. No, that was the third level that I made. Oh yeah. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Come on. Are you serious? And also, I'm not gonna curse in this video. Just for the heck of it. Or I'm gonna try not to. That's another challenge. Try not to drop the F-bomb when failing at this game. When I mess up. Try not to lay an F-bomb or any other curse word bomb. Ugh! Gosh dang it. I'm gonna be stuck on level 3 all night. Come on, get to that rope. Don't flippin' fall. Do not flippin' mess this up, dude. Almost got hit with the salt shaker looking thing. Oh yeah, I'm an OG at this. I'm an OG, boy. I'm an OG. Ain't nobody gonna stop me from being an OG at this. Heck no. Don't get hit by the paintball. Insert curse word here. I almost made it through that. Oh boy. I'm gonna try this again, boy. And also, I am not going to play this online because I don't think the online, works anymore. Because I already tried it once and not a darn thing came up. Really, nothing came up. Duck, 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 duck all of this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Now we got back to... Ow! I got slapped in the face with a paintball. Paintballs do not count unless they make you fall off the map. Just for your guys' information. Grab that rope, grab it, grab it. Oh yeah, you're a rope climber, Jared. You're a rope climber. And I made it. 9 minutes past the one that my mom has. Which, to be honest, it's not played by my mom. It's made by me. My mom doesn't even really play on the Xbox. I only made that account so she can watch her Netflix without having to use my account. You're welcome, Mom. I love you. I made you your own account because I'm that nice. And no, don't nobody go add my mom because she doesn't play games. Not trying to be rude, I'm just saying my mom does not play games. Well, add her if you want, but... Holy cow, how did I not miss that? Why do the ropes do that whenever I get to the checkpoint? That's so awkward. You got this, Jared? You're a... Oh! I got crushed. Only if you fall, that's when it counts towards the challenge, guys. But say, if you were to get hit by this... Okay, thank gosh. If you were to get hit by those things, or fall off the rope, then that's when it counts. But getting hit in the face with a paintball that doesn't make you fall over into the water does not count. But getting smashed by these definitely counts. And falling off the ledge counts too. Bar 10, that guy you see right there is my friend from school, for your information. So far, we're doing okay. Oh my god, thank gosh. Go back to the surface, buddy. Oh my gosh, you almost just... Okay, you fell off the surface there, but... We already beat number 3. Excuse me. We're gonna have at this again. Oh, holy cow. Darn controller gets attached to the flippin' tripod so much. No, not Xbox Live. Xbox Live doesn't even work on here. Except for the Xbox guide. You can still send messages and stuff. That's about it. Come on, Jared, you got this. That's my avatar. He looks a little just like me, but not exactly. Jump over him. Jump over. Jump over. Jump over! Good boy. You don't need the ropes. Screw the ropes. Oh. Oh my gosh. Almost got smashed by that. Don't fail this one, bud. Don't fail this one, Jared. I believe in you. Yeah. There we go. Got through the level. Yay. Good boy. Well, guys, I think I'm just gonna do all the USA levels. I'm not gonna bother with the European levels, so once we get to the end of this one, or whichever the one the European levels happen to be, is when I'll stop. Go, 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 go. Don't get smashed. Good boy. Oh, thank gosh, I was there to save you. Oh, you freaking frick. I can only say frick, not the other F word. So the frick counts, F word doesn't count. Or it does actually. But frick does not count. Because it's not the real bad word. Aw, I got his food. That's okay. It's alright, boys. So guys, there you have it. Doritos Crash Course. If you guys like, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and definitely look out for some videos, because I think I'll be uploading them on this channel from now on, because my account, or unless I could put my account onto this device and just upload from there. I could do that, but yeah. See you guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.